I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna show you how I make this sheet into some sort of puffy dress. Right now I'm just kind of playing with it on to see what I like the fit of, and then I'll make my first cut soon. First thing that I did is cut out like a big rectangle. That's gonna be the main skirt. Next I just cut a piece of elastic the size of around my waist. Cute. Now I'm going along the entire top of that rectangle I cut out and pinning about 1 inch down, where I'm going to sew a stitch to make a casing for the elastic. Okay, now with the two ends of the rectangle, I'm putting the right sides together, putting a pin about 1 inch in, and then I'm going to sew a straight stitch down so that this is a circle of fabric. Now I just sewed along that line I made with the pins, leaving a 1 inch gap at the beginning to put my elastic through. Forgive the outfit, it's fucking cold out here. But I took the elastic and looped it through, and we have the beginning of a bottom of a dress. So because this was a fitted sheet, it's already got some parts that have elastic on it. So I am going to use the part that already has elastic to create a puff sleeve. So I think I'm just going to cut, I'm going to cut very generously so that I have more than enough fabric. I think just a big little line right there. I'll show you when it's done. All right, this is the shape I cut out, so now I'm going to cut out another one in the same shape. All right, we got them both cut out, so now I'm going to flip them right sides together and sew along the bottom line so that it is a sleeve, and then I'm going to fold this over and create a channel all along this edge to put elastic through. Channel is made, so now I'm just taking some elastic and measuring around the part of my arm that I want the sleeve to fit at. Just going to be like right there. All right, both of the sleeves are done and the skirt, and now I'm thinking that for the main body piece, I really hate making tops out of non-stretchy material. I just haven't figured out how to do it and have it look good on my boobs yet. So I'm thinking that I might just cut out this part of the white shirt and attach the sleeves to it and have the dress look, well, it looks really ugly right now, but I think it would look cute when done. Okay, I accidentally had a really ugly filter on, but this is what I'm considering. I would do a shirt that doesn't have that on it. I don't know, I'll let you know. Alright, so this is a very rough draft. I don't think I'll leave this completely white. I think I'll make at least one of the panels floral. But I think I'll attach the sleeves first and then go from there. Sleeves are attached. Now I'm going to cut out this white panel and probably this one as well. Okay, cut that panel out and then made a slightly bigger version out of this fabric. Now I'm going to attach it. Pinned into place, and now I'm going to sew it with a top stitch. Panel is attached. Took some of this tulle and stuffed the sleeves with it. Now all that's left to do is hem the bottom of the skirt. Gonna hem it with several small stitches where I have the pins so that it's poofier. Okay, it's all done. I did that hem with just several little stitches, like every 4 inches, and it can be a dress or a little set.